Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a BMW X5 battery. First, prioritize safety by wearing appropriate gear like safety glasses and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged to prevent any accidental movement. The battery in a BMW X5 is usually found in the trunk, often under a floor panel, or sometimes under the hood, depending on the specific model. Identifying its exact location is your initial step before proceeding with any disconnections. Once you've located the battery, it's time to disconnect it safely. Always start with the negative terminal. Use a 10mm wrench to loosen the nut on the negative post. Once loose, carefully remove the negative cable and ensure it doesn't accidentally touch any metal parts of the car or the battery terminals. After the negative is secure, proceed to loosen and remove the positive terminal cable. This order is crucial to prevent short circuits and ensure your safety during the process. With the old battery removed, prepare for the new one. Take a moment to clean the battery tray and the new battery terminals, ensuring good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely and doesn't shift. Now, connect the positive terminal first, tightening it firmly. Then, connect the negative terminal, also tightening it securely. Double-check all connections to ensure they are snug and won't vibrate loose while driving. After connecting the new battery, reattach any hold-downs or covers that you removed earlier, making sure everything is secure and tidy. Now, it's time to start your BMW X5 and confirm that the new battery is working perfectly. You might need to reset some electronic settings, like the clock or radio presets, which is normal after a battery change. For those who love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below this video. Enjoy your refreshed vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.